From the air is one of the best ways to see the mess that Hurricane Matthew left behind. This is Hilton Head, Sky 4 giving us a look down at all the debris and damage. The good news is cleanup has already begun. This part of South Carolina was hit with more than 18 inches of rain this weekend, flooding parts of the island. Powerful winds downed trees and wrecked boats. Hilton Head's mayor says cleanup crews have been working for the past 24 hours to repair damage. Down the coast on Edisto Island, the same storm did the same damage. The rain and strong winds took a toll on the coastline here too, damaging homes and structures. Even across the state line into Georgia, floodwaters surround Fort Pulaski National Monument in Georgia. It's a Civil War fort. High waters isolate homes in Savannah where power is out across the area, and some schools are closed until next week.